Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Clara. It sounds incredibly fancy, doesn't it? Like something you'd find on a high-end fashion street. But it's actually just an online store claiming to sell stylish jewelry. They talk a big game about being a Toronto-based boutique with global shipping and classic designs. Apparently, classic is code for we found these pictures on Google. But is it actually legit? Let's peel back the layers of this shiny onion because there are some red flags that are hard to miss. First, let's talk about the people behind the brand. When looking into the owners, we discovered that the website uses AI-generated images for their founders and models. Because nothing says trustworthy like a CEO who doesn't actually exist in the physical dimension. Then there's the age-old lie about their history. They claim to have been established in 1996, which would give them nearly 30 years of experience. However, their domain records show they were only registered in September 2024. I guess they spent the first 28 years operating in a different timeline where the internet hadn't been invented yet. The site also loves a good ticking clock. They push massive 80% discounts and buy more, save more deals to rush you into a purchase. It's the digital equivalent of a guy in a trench coat whispering that his watches are limited edition while checking over his shoulder. To make matters worse, their product photos aren't even original. They've been shamelessly lifted from other platforms, meaning they don't even own the items they're pretending to sell. It's hard to run a boutique when your entire inventory is just a collection of saved JPEGs from someone else's hard work. Finally, we look for actual human feedback. On platforms like Trustpilot, there are exactly 0 reviews. For a company that's supposedly been around since the mid-90s, that's quite the achievement in total invisibility. Between the fake AI founders, the time-traveling domain registration, and the stolen photos, the verdict is clear. Clara is less of a jewelry store and more of a masterclass in how to spot a scam. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you want to keep your money where it belongs, hit subscribe for more updates on these digital traps.